How to fix unsupported video format on Android. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. Let's get started. First of all, in order to identify what video file or video format that is, you have to open your file manager or any of the application where you have received the format. In my case, this might be on my download section. So at the end, you will see .pdf, which is the exact format of the video or a file that you have received. Once you have known the file format, you may go ahead, open your Play Store or App Store, and simply search for VLC Media Player. This is for Android devices specifically, but you may also use it in your other devices, and this will help if you have unsupported file, which is a video. Another alternative solution is MX Player. So you may also go ahead and type in MX Player. This is the exact application that you should download, and simply use this if your video files are not supported from your normal Android phone. Just like so guys, these two alternatives will fix your problem. Thank you all for watching. We will catch up in our next upload.